What's up everyone and welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create this awesome looking heartbeat animation with HTML and CSS. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into this video. So what I've done is I've created two files, index.html and main.css. In the HTML file I have already loaded up the CSS file and I have loaded up the font awesome library from CDN. And then what I've done is I have created a div and gave it a class of heart, and inside that div I have this heart icon. So this is how it looks right now. So now let's go ahead and style this and let's make this heartbeat for us. So let's go. So as you can see right now I have already added some styling to the body. Now let's first grab the heart class, and what I want to do is I want to take this heart and I want to center it. So for that there are various methods, but I'm going to use this one. So I'll say position absolute, and I'm going to say top 50%, left 50%, and also we are going to say transform translate minus 50% and minus 50%, just like this. So the heart is now in the middle of the screen and it's always going to remain there. So now we have got the heart centered. What we want to do is we want to animate this heart and make it look a bit nicer. So what we can do is we can grab this I tag directly and we'll style it. So I'll say I, and the first thing I'll do is I'll give it a color, and then let's increase the font size. Now you can see it is much bigger, and we are going to add some text shadows to it. So text shadow. So you can see the heart is now looking a bit nicer, but what we want to do is we want to add the animation to it. So I'll say animation and we'll name that heartbeat, and I'm going to set it 0.1 seconds and let's say infinite. Now all we need to do is we need to add the keyframes. So I'll say keyframes and the identifier is going to be heartbeat. Now let's add for 0%. Let's add transform and scale of 1.4. No, it's going a bit crazy. Our heart is beating too fast, so let's say 1.10. all right, and then what we can do is we can add for 30% transform scale, and let's add 1.4. okay, actually I need to change this thing here. I need to change it to, let's say, 0.8. now you can see the heart is it's beating normally, otherwise it was going a bit crazy. So now let's add another let's add for 60%, and let's add transform scale 1. let's say 9. Now you can see the heart is beating like it should beat. It's beating for us. So yeah, it's looking nice, but let's change the background color as well. Let's add background color black. Now you can see it looks amazing. So this is how we can create this awesome looking heartbeat animation using HTML and CSS. So I hope you learned something new from this video. If you liked this video, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.